because we want to go back. We're all considered seasoned, a bit senior mothers. We want to go back to see what we would tell ourselves as young mothers, or before we became mothers, if we had a telescope, if we had a magic ball and we could see the future and we knew we were going on this neurodiversity journey. We don't know how much of this will resonate with you, but we really want to reflect to see how we would have done it differently.
First, I want to macam disclaimer lah. Whatever we are saying here, based on what we have experienced, and then kita look back balik macam okay, mungkin kita rasa macam kalau kita buat macam ni differently, mungkin outcome dia berbeza. And then of course resources kita pun berbeza, kemampuan kita, kita punya personality, kita punya temperament. Dulu mungkin masa muda lebih cepat marah, sekarang dah lebih tenang. Jadi kalau nak dikatakan apa nak bagi tahu pada my younger self, yang akan menjadi ibu kepada 2 orang anak autistik, I would say focus on being a mother, then fixing them